Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have something completely different for you. It's not about skating at all, but I hope you find it interesting anyway. So a couple of weeks ago, a makeup artist friend of mine, who's also a skating coach, asked if I would model for her for a makeup segment she does on our local Fox News station. She was looking to represent a modern Valentine and a vintage Valentine. Now, I have a lot of fun with vintage hairstyles, especially the 1940s and 1950s era. In fact, our most recent holiday show, I wore the whole 1940s bumper bang and victory rolls, because honestly, I feel pretty fabulous in that hairstyle. So of course I said yes. I thought it would be a really cool experience, and with that in mind, I thought I would take you along for the ride so you can experience it with me.
And this is Julia. She's actually one of the coaches with me at the rink over in Skatown. So I got her because she's just the perfect pinup girl.
We're running short on time, but I wanted to talk about her look. So if you can recap it for me quickly.
Oh, definitely. So with Julia, we went classic vintage pinup. I mean, who does not love this look? It's classic, it's timeless. We paired it with the bumper bangs and the whole victory rolls. But her makeup, once again, is a beautiful, seamless airbrush application and then a very simple eye. We just used 2 eyeshadows, did a winged liner, and then added a beautiful, full, voluptuous, glossy red lip.
Red lip, pop it, girl. You look gorgeous. You look beautiful.
Pinup perfection.
Okay, so